And that was Mr. Naylor, a crazy old man who drinks his own piss for the NHS. And he looks a bit like Jeremy Corbyn. Now, in March, official figures released show the worst month on record for retail. No shit, Sherlock, the shops were shut. Short story. Now, we all know the symptoms. Eye fever, continuous cough, free money for lazy ass workers, that's Skive, the ones quoting, self-isolating. You can fucking pack that in. You're going to work. Are you an essential worker who wishes the news reporter would just step out of the TV and slap your lazy ass co-workers round the face? 'Cause it's coming.